I am currently standing outside of the CNFans warehouse here in China, and we have been granted exclusive access to actually go check out the ins and outs of the business, see how everything runs, see the QC photo area, see how parcels are packed, see how they process everything in general. I am so stoked to actually finally be able to see inside the warehouse. All right, let's go check it out. Okay, I'm about to walk into the CNFans warehouse for the first time now, and I have just stepped foot in, and this is such a big warehouse. I have never seen something this huge before. There is rows upon rows of items here. Not only that, but there is hundreds of workers here opening up products that get delivered to the warehouse and then getting them ready to be stored and have QC photos taken. I have just reached one of the first QC benches where they've got key lights, multiple staff taking QC photos. I'll give you guys a little look at it now. This is where the items are taken before they are stored, because they take QC photos on multiple different angles so you guys can see the quality of the products you are buying. All right, boys, I'm sorry to interrupt the video, but it is for a very, very good reason. So as you guys know, I have not been very locked in on YouTube, and I am sorry for that. But starting from now, I'm going to lock in on YouTube, start posting consistently, hopefully at least once per week. And to incentivize you guys to actually watch me, I'm gonna run a little bit of a giveaway just like what I've done on my TikTok, but way better. So pretty much, unlike the TikTok giveaway I just ran and announced the winners of, there's gonna be 5 separate winners. And to enter, it is super, super simple. Pretty much all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel, like this video, leave a comment down below on why you deserve to win, and also be signed up to CNFans using my URL down below. By the way, if you do win this giveaway, I will be DMing you to check if you have used my sign up URL, so make sure you've done this step. And now the prizes are as followed. The first prize winner of this giveaway is going to win either a PS5 or an Xbox Series X of his or her choice. That's right, you can get your own Xbox Series X or PS5 for completely free just by being subscribed and signing up using my CNFans URL. Now, second prize is going to get a 1000 CNY CNFans balance top up. This is going to be topped up directly into your account, and you can spend this on anything, whether it be items or shipping out your parcels. Now, third place is going to get a 5 kilogram haul of items in his or her size. So pretty much you'll tell me your shoe size and your clothing size, and I'll put together a 5 kilogram haul and ship it directly to you. Now, fourth prize is going to get a 500 CNY balance top up, and fifth prize is going to get a pair of shoes that they want. You can pretty much add that to your CNFans cart, and I'll go ahead and purchase that for you with my team at CNFans. There's literally no point in not entering this giveaway because you can win up to a $600 prize, which is pretty crazy. Anyways, go ahead and enter. I'm sorry to interrupt the video, so let's get back to it now. Toby's taking QC photos of the jeans. Look at his form here. What's that look like, Toby? Currently get to do our own QC photos here. Check it out. Let's get that like so. Bang, just took the QC image. Look at that. There really is just levels to this because I have never seen something of this scale in my life. I'm about to show you guys the amount of rows there are here where all the items are kept, and you guys will be jaw-dropped, genuinely. There is, no lie, no exaggeration, thousands and thousands of these rows with items going down, and Lucas, but thousands and thousands of rows. Oh, Taj as well. An all-round just crazy fact I just learned is that CNFans is shipping out around 10,000 hauls or more a day to all of the people around the world, servicing over 100 different countries and having millions of customers that use their service. This operation that they have here is sheerly amazing. How they're able to be so efficient and not have delays anymore. For some reason, Jay's just in a trolley.
We just copped a jet set, Jay. You already know what's up.
Yeah. Can we take him to QC? We need to get QC photos taken.
I'm about to QC him and package him up.
I'm currently in the area where items are actually kept once they have had their QC photos taken. And pretty much once those QC photos have been taken, you can submit your parcel. And when it's submitted, someone will come around with a shopping trolley and collect all of your items to then send out in their parcel. Right here, we actually have a worker that is collecting items for a haul which has been submitted. These are the trolleys that they actually use to put items in when you submit a parcel. Once again, there are more people that are collecting the parcels to send out. Over here is actually where the items are packed after you've submitted your parcel. I'm going to walk over and show you guys how they pack them up securely to ensure they save as much space and make your hauls as cheap as possible. Here they're actually unloading a few items to pack up for the hauls. As you can see, this person alone has packed nearly 20 different hauls, and he's probably done this in under 10 minutes. You can just see the sheer speed at which he packs items and ensures as much space is saved as possible. This is them using cling film to actually pack up the item to ensure it stays safe and waterproof. The amount of different employees I have seen working here is incredible. They have such a big business and they are so quick at what they do here. Right here is where they actually use a vacuum to vacuum seal your items so that it saves volume in the parcel. Taj, Lucas, Did you think Sand Fans Warehouse would be like this?
No, bro, not at all.
Compared-
I thought
yeah.
Joya Bar was big, and then I came to this.
Compared to Joya Buy, how much bigger is this?
10 times as well. Crazy.
And also the 5 warehouses we got to include.
Yeah, there is 5 of
Instead of the
these.
3 Joya Bars. Ain't that right there?
Joya Bar did it.
Right here is the package QC machine where your hauls go through. When you go into your parcel section, you actually be able to see your photo of your haul on this machine. This is where they send your parcels through, and it's what makes them so quick. You can see an image of a parcel which just passed through to get shipped out and go with the shipping carrier. It's pretty much how your packages are weighed and how you understand what the cost to ship out your haul actually is. Here is a haul coming through the machine, and you can see on here it gives you the weight, the shipping estimations, everything you need to know about the haul. Pretty much, if you've ever sent out a haul, your parcel has probably gone through a machine just like this, and that's how you've been able to view the QC image of your parcel. I'm currently walking over to where they store some of the parcels before they're actually sent out with the shipping carrier to be sent to you guys. Here you can see there is just an insane amount of parcels here, and this contributes to the over 10,000 hauls that are sent out a day. And obviously, since they're dealing with so many different hauls they have to send out, they have a lot of cardboard, and I'm talking a lot. Just check out all of these folded boxes. It is actually insane how many there are. I would predict that there is over 100,000 different boxes here, ranging from big, small, medium. Like, to be honest, they need it to be able to send out over 10,000 hauls a day. If they didn't have this cardboard, they'd be screwed. I think I may have found the smallest Sand Fans haul I've ever seen. It's even got corner reinforced here. Compared to Jay's head, this is the haul.
Bro, why would they even put corner guards on this?
I don't even know why.
I'm surprised it fit.
Hope you guys enjoyed that little warehouse tour, but if you haven't already, make sure you check out the whole China vlog series, which is either up as you're watching this or it will be up soon, and it will be pinned on my channel. It'll be pinned in the link in the description. But also, if you haven't already signed up with Sand Fans, if you want to, make sure you use my sign up URL in my beacons, because this will save you up to $130 in shipping coupons, and it's how I'm able to ship out my horse for so cheap. And also, by you guys supporting me, it's why I'm able to come to China and actually explore the warehouse myself. Fuck this! I lost. Everyone, I lost. I came dead last. I'm the worst content creator here. Guys, TJ won. Shout out Luna, who's still recording, even though the race is done. Thank you.